Hand home position correction. The speed, hour and minute hand of the watch can be thrown off by exposure to strong magnetism or impact. The watch is designed to correct the speed, hour and minute hand manually. So let's see how to correct those hands if the analog time is not corresponding to our digital time over here. So in the standard timekeeping mode, hold the forward button for about 3 seconds until sub flashes in the lower digital display. So let's go. Pressing and holding it. And we have the sub indicated over here and the age set in the upper digital display. Now you have to check first in a row of settings is setting or checking the position of the speed hand over here. This is the speed hand. Let me zoom in for you. So this is the speed hand over here. And the correct position of the speed hand is when it's pointed at 50 or, the standard 9 o'clock position. If it's not, use the forward button over here to engage it or to rotate the hand clockwise until you get back to the 50 exactly. So speed hand on my watch is currently set at the 50, so I'm pretty happy with that. But if it was not, I would press the forward button, rotate it clockwise until I get it back to the 50 over there. So once I've set my speed hand, I'm gonna get back to setting my hour and minute value, and next step is engaged by pressing the mode button. So currently what is the watch doing? It's the aligning the watch hands at exactly at 12 o'clock. Now if the watch hands are not aligned exactly at 12 o'clock, and mine are, well, slightly not, but let me get that. By pressing the reverse or forward button, you can move those hands clockwise or anti-clockwise. So I believe my hand is slightly, and now there it is. So I press the forward button and set my hand exactly at 12 o'clock. I believe my alignment is now correct, exactly at 12 o'clock. And once I've set my hands in the correct way and the way I want them to, I'm going to simply press the adjust button once, and let's see if my digital time corresponds to my analog time. So it is 12:45, and which means that my hands are positioned correct.